Today we're going to talk about problems that people have with worn blast hoses inside their grit rooms and common problems that you can overcome to make sure that they don't wear prematurely, and what we've got to look for on a daily basis to make sure they're not worn. One of the first things we're going to do, which is really important, is prior to connecting them, we're going to look inside the coupling. We're going to make sure that we have no worn areas in the coupling rubber, the gasket. And also when we look inside it, we need to make sure that the screws that hold the coupling on don't penetrate the inner lining of the blast hose. If they penetrate the inner lining of the warehouse, you will have your coupling wear prematurely. Another thing that happens quite commonly is a blast hose may kink really easy. This is a good sign showing that your blast hose is starting to wear. And why this happens is sometimes when blasters blast and they have the hose like this and they have it bent, this is going to be a wear point of the blast hose. Other reasons that this can happen is you should always run your blast hose as straight as possible and not have any kinks or bends in it. If you have 40 meters of blast hose and you only need 20, take one line off because you only need a 20. What would happen is you would find that your blast hose, the first 20 meters, will be curled up on the ground, and what will be happening is that's a wear point. So that blast hose is going to be wearing prematurely. So remember, check your couplings, coupling gasket, check the screws that are in your coupling, don't penetrate the inner lining of your blast hose. And another thing, have a look at your blast hose. Is it kinking prematurely? Other things you can do, if you think spot's wearing on your blast hose, walk along it and put some pressure on it with your feet. See, this area of the blast hose is quite firm, but other areas probably near the coupling or near a bend are going to be a lot softer. So make sure you carry out your daily checks, your weekly checks, so your blast hose doesn't wear prematurely.